Welcome to the science of freeze drying. Have you ever wondered how freeze-dried food and pharmaceuticals are made? Let's explore the fascinating process. Freeze drying is a sophisticated preservation technique that removes moisture while maintaining the integrity of the product. It's used widely across many industries. Freeze drying is also known as lyophilization. It's a low-temperature dehydration process that involves freezing the product and then reducing the surrounding pressure to allow the frozen water to sublimate. The main reasons for freeze drying are long-term preservation and creating a product that is extremely lightweight, which is crucial for storage and transportation. The entire freeze drying process consists of three main stages: freezing, primary drying, and secondary drying. Let's break down each step. The first step is freezing the product. This needs to be done carefully to ensure the ice crystals formed are uniform and small, which affects the quality of the final product. It's essential that all the water content is completely frozen solid. This solid state is necessary for the next step, sublimation, to occur effectively. Primary drying is the stage where the bulk of the water is removed through a process called sublimation. Sublimation is the direct transition of a substance from the solid phase, in this case, ice, to the gas phase, without passing through the intermediate liquid phase. During primary drying, a strong vacuum is applied and controlled low heat is introduced. This combination allows the frozen water or ice to turn directly into water vapor, bypassing the liquid state. About 95% of the water content is removed from the product in this primary drying phase. The final stage is secondary drying, also known as adsorption drying. This step targets the residual, unfrozen water. This stage is crucial for removing the remaining unfrozen water molecules that are physically or chemically bound to the product structure. To achieve this, the temperature is raised slightly higher than in primary drying while maintaining the vacuum, helping to release the bound moisture. The goal of secondary drying is to reduce the moisture content to an optimal level, typically 1 to 4%, which ensures product stability and long shelf life. And that is how freeze drying works, a meticulous process that ensures high-quality, preserved products. The resulting freeze-dried product retains its original structure, making rehydration easy, and crucially, it preserves the majority of its flavor and nutrient content. Freeze drying is used everywhere, from preserving food for camping and emergencies to preparing temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals like vaccines and enzymes.